What's up, guys? We tested a lot of earbuds on our channel Tech Brothers last year, but the Earfun Air Pro 4 was one of my favorites. Despite the budget price, they have flagship features and performance. But today we are going to talk about sports earbuds from Earfun company. They are called Earfun OpenJump. That's a pretty sporty name, isn't it? As you can see, they have an open-ear design as well as 14.2mm dynamic drivers, high-res audio with LDAC support, theater mode with a 3D surround sound, 4 microphones with AI noise cancellation technology, customizable equalizer via mobile app and many other features. Let's check if these earbuds are really comfortable and good for sports, along with sound quality, microphone, latency, battery and everything else. So when you buy the earbuds, you get them in box like this. I have already told you about main features of these earbuds, but you can also read about them on the back of the box. There is a big charging case inside. It is twice the size or even larger than charging cases of other earbuds, all because the Earfun OpenJump has ear hooks. The package also includes USB Type-C cable, warranty card, and user manual. We have already started talking about size, so let's continue. The dimensions of charging case are 75 by 65 by 25mm. Its weight with earbuds inside is 74 grams. I don't see a problem with big case because it fits easily in my pocket. But you don't even have to carry it around with you while doing sports. Just put the earbuds on and leave the case in your bag. The advantage of this charging case is a very long battery life of up to 42 hours, but we will come back to this later. There is an LED indicator on the front panel and USB Type-C port on the back. Opening the lid, we see a button for pairing and resetting the earbuds. Talking about the earbuds themselves, they are actually no bigger than the others, but they do have ear hooks. In addition, they have an open-ear design, which means they do not fit in your ears. I prefer semi-in-ear earbuds, because I don't like the pressure in my ears from the silicone ear tips. But open-ear earbuds are even better. I don't feel any discomfort. I hardly feel them at all, because they are very lightweight, only 7.8 grams. I don't know about sound quality yet. We will check it later, but the open-ear earbuds are the most comfortable for me. In addition, their ear hooks provide the most secure fit, so you can run, cycle, and do other sports without fear of losing the earpiece. By the way, the Earfun OpenJump has waterproof rating of IPX7 and sweat shield technology. The earbuds can withstand sweat, rain, and splashes, but you shouldn't shower or swim in the pool with them. The earbuds have touch control panels, but first let's install the mobile app and then we will talk about the control functions and how you can change them. So the companion app from the Earfun OpenJump earbuds are called EarFun Audio. You can download it on Android and iOS devices. In the app we can see the battery level of the left and right earbuds, as well as charging case. Then we can rename the earbuds. The Earfun OpenJump has a game mode, and we will test the latency in games a little later. There is also a theater mode in the app. It says that it gives you the immersive surround experience of being in the center of the music. We will also test this mode a little later. The equalizer menu has many presets such as rock, pop, country, R&B, classical, etc. You can also use a custom equalizer, but I don't know much about it, so I will use the presets. Finally, you can create your personal sound profile. I have already told you that these earbuds have touch control buttons. You can disable all controls in the app, as well as customize them. By default, single tap on the left earbud decreases the volume, double tap plays and pauses the music, triple tap switches to the previous song, and a long press activates voice assistant on your phone. By tapping the right earbud, you can increase the volume, play pause music, switch to the next song, but I want to change the function on the long press to game mode. The other functions in the app are dual device connection, voice prompt settings, automatic shutdown, and find headphones. Okay, now I want to check the game mode and latency in games. Let's see if the sports earbuds are suitable for gaming. You know, the audio latency is huge without game mode. Now let's activate it. Latency is lower now, but I cannot say it is completely gone. The sound still has some delay, but overall playable. I am also not sure if these sports earbuds are suitable for phone calls, but they have 4 microphones with AI noise cancellation. Let's test the quality of the microphone in a quiet and noisy place.
Hey, what's up? I'm in a quiet studio now, and there is no noise here. These are perfect conditions for phone calls. How do you hear me? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now I ran the video with street noise on my computer. It is really noisy here, just like in a crowded place. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
You know, the microphone quality of the Earfun OpenJump earbuds is below average. However, I would like to say that noise cancelling in public places works really well. Now let's talk about sound quality. The Earfun OpenJump earbuds have open-ear design, so they sound a little different from the most in-ear earbuds. First, they have much larger drivers than other earbuds, 14.2 mm. These are wool composite drivers. I think a large driver is needed for high volume, and it is really very high. Personally, I listen to music at only 30% volume. But if you are exercising in public places, you will probably need to turn up the volume. I am sure the Earfun OpenJump will block out all the noise around you. By the way, you should note that when the volume is high, the people around you can hear your music too. Although the earbuds have many presets in the app, I listen to music in the default preset. I feel like the sound is not as clear as it is on the in-ear earbuds. However, the bass is really good. On the other hand, I have listened to a few podcasts and no problems with voice clarity. Talking about theater mode. This is a really awesome feature because it gives you surround sound. I do feel like I am at a live concert, but like a live concert. So the sound quality is not very good. If you want better sound quality, it is better to turn this mode off. By the way, when the theater mode is activated, you cannot use equalizer in the app. Earfun OpenJump earbuds supports LDAC codec to improve sound quality. However, it is only available on Android devices. I have an iPhone, so I can't test this. In the user manual, you can read how to activate and deactivate LDAC on your phone. Overall, the sound quality of the Earfun OpenJump is really good for open-ear earbuds. Battery life is also important for sports earbuds, and it is very good here. You can listen to music up to 11 hours on a single charge and 42 hours with a charging case. In addition, the case supports wireless charging. This is one of the flagship features in these budget earbuds. So what's important for sports earbuds? Comfort, secure fit, long battery life, and good sound. Earfun OpenJump has it all. Among the cons, I would mention latency in games and microphone quality. But are they really important for sports earbuds? I don't think so. For the price of about $69, these are some of the best open-ear earbuds out there. Thank you for watching. See you soon!